Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY version of a home cable machine. The best part about this, it will only cost you around 50 bucks. And you don't need any expensive pulley systems. You don't need another space-occupying rack or tower inside your home gym. All you're going to need is a few things. So number one, you're going to need a rack that has holes on the sides over here. Number two, you're going to need a couple of these pins. They're Hitch pins. And number three, you're going to need two sets of heavy-duty resistance tubes just like this one. Now these tubes aren't just your ordinary tubes. These are heavy-duty, and they come in a set like this. I'm going to show you now. Now this is one set. It comes with a handle, and then it comes with three different resistance tubes. It has a purple one which has 30 pounds of resistance, a blue one has 40 pounds of resistance, and then the brown one has 50 pounds of resistance. So they're stackable, which means I can stack these together for over 100 pounds of resistance. And if you're not that advanced, of course, you can take these off. They come with carabiners at the end, and then you can adjust it to whatever type of resistance you want. Now the good thing about this is that it's not going to cost you very much, and it's not going to take up a lot of space like if it would if you were bringing in an other rack into your home or garage gym. Now they're so strong that I can hold my body weight just like you see in this video right here, and they last for a very long time. I've had this set for over 2 years, and it continues to provide a lot of resistance. And the truth is that your body doesn't care whether you're using a pulley system or resistance tubes. As long as you're challenging your body at different angles with different types of resistance, then it's going to progress, it's going to grow. Now back to this over here. Now the beauty about this is that I can mimic the same type of exercises that I can do at an actual gym with a pulley system. You know how a pulley system, you can pull a pin and then you can slide it up and down. Well, you can do something similar with this. If you have it on the top here, of course you can do exercises where you're pulling down. However, if you want to move this, all I have to do is switch the pin to another hole, and then I can do other exercises such as a crossover right in front over here. So it's very versatile, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you different exercises that I can do here, which are the same as a pulley system at a gym. There you have it, guys. Now you know how to create a DIY version of a home cable machine without breaking the bank and without bringing any more equipment into your home gym. I hope you like the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And what I'll do is I'll leave the link to all the equipment down in the description below so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.